Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sandeep Sharma. If you are a super specialty pediatric aspirant, I have a very good news for you. PrepLadder Super Speciality is going to come out with their special free INI Super Speciality Grand Mock Test. It is available free of cost and it is based upon the real life experience. So it will be a 90-minute exam with 80 questions and the negative marking will be -1/3, very similar to what is usually there in INI Super Speciality. So get ready to give the exam. When I talk about giving mock exams, I always say the mock exams are very important. What are the importance of mock exams? Firstly, they help you in time management. When you give the exam, you would be able to finish the paper on time. And if you are running short on time, you can modify your preparation a bit, your speed of answering MCQs a bit for the actual exam which is going to be held. Secondly, it gives you a much important, much needed MCQ practice. Often what happens is when we are residents, when we have finished our MD or DNB, we are not in the practice of giving too many MCQs. And so, yes, doing past paper MCQ practice is important, but this real life experience will give you that much needed MCQ practice before you sit in the actual exam. Thirdly, it will help you simulate the environment and it will soothe out any nerves which you might be having related to the exam. Fourthly, you will be able to identify your strength and weaknesses. It is always better to know your strength and weakness before the exam than to realize it in the exam. After you have given the exam, you do analysis, you see what are your problem areas, you can focus on that because there will be still time left before the actual exam. So it will help you in ironing out whatever deficiencies you have. Lastly, it will also act as an important revision tool. If you are already working somewhere running short on time, all you have to do is revise whatever notes you have, focus on the high yielding areas, and give this exam. The result will be available on the very next day. So you can focus on the key areas and utilize this grand test for your revision tool as well. So it doesn't harm, it's free, and we expect a lot of students to give it. So it will give you direct simulation of the exam. I hope you will benefit from the exam. All the best and keep preparing. Aim high for your future MCQ exams. Thank you very much.